in the dark and curved valley, underneath the sky in clouds, shadows of the wilderness, far behind, it down with the moon and the stars and the sun in the sky. It lit to the touch night. Lunar eclipse with the moonlit sunlit. With the blue in the sky painted gray over daylight. Fascinated by the inner glow, lost inside this neon lighted room in the shine, like a solar eclipse by the moon. Yeah, solar eclipse by the moon, illuminated by the inner glow, in the shine, like a solar eclipse by the moon, and the sky, and the sky. And the darkness curved to bend underneath the lightning clouds. Shadows earth to the universe, locked inside the world around. With the moon and the stars and the sun in the sky, faded into the untouched night, showing you the color blinded by the untouched eye. Lunar eclipse with the moonlight